Have you heard people talking about Chatgpt, but you are not sure how to use it? Don't worry, in this video, I will show you exactly how to use Chatgpt step by step. Even if you've never used AI before, by the end of this video, you will know how to ask better questions and get useful answers in seconds. Welcome to SkillForge Hub Africa. I am Chiaka, and on this channel, I teach practical AI tools, digital skills, and online income strategies to help you build valuable skills and create more opportunities. If that's something you are interested in, consider subscribing. Let's get started. First, what exactly is Chatgpt? Chatgpt is an AI assistant developed by OpenAI. Think of it as a smart helper that can answer questions, explain difficult topics, write emails, generate ideas, summarize text, and even help you learn new skills. Whether you're a student, business owner, freelancer, or content creator, Chatgpt can save you time and make your work easier. Now join me as I show you how to use Chatgpt. So guys, once you have opened Chatgpt, you'll see a message box at the bottom. This is where you type your question, also called a prompt. The more specific your prompt is, the better the response you will receive. And also, to send a prompt, you can use text, paste, or voice note to send your prompt, okay? So let me show you 3 practical examples. Example 1. Write a professional email asking for a job interview. Amazing, isn't it? In less than a minute, Chatgpt has written a professional email for a job interview. You can customize and use it, okay? Now let's see example 2. Explain photosynthesis in simple English. So guys, I'm using this example to show you that it's not only meant for job seekers. Anyone can use it, even as a student, a freelancer, a content creator. You can make use of this Chatgpt. So that's why I'm using this prompt, okay? Now let's move to example 3. Before I go on, like I explained in my previous video, you can either text, paste, or voice note while using any of these AI tools I will be mentioning. So if you noticed, I used text in example 1, paste in example 2, and now I'll be using voice note like this in example 3. Create a 1-week study timetable for a university student. Okay, now wait for Chatgpt to transcribe the voice note before you hit the send button. Guys, this is the 1-week study timetable, as you can see, okay? Now, here are 3 tips to keep in mind when using Chatgpt. Tip 1, be specific. Instead of saying, write an article, say, write a 500-word article about the benefits of AI for small businesses. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So just be specific when you're giving your prompt or when you're typing your prompt, so that Chatgpt can give you the exact answer you want. Okay, now tip number 2, give context. For example, I am a beginner learning digital marketing. Write a 500-word article about the benefits of AI for small businesses. Okay, now Chatgpt will now give you answers based on this context because you are a beginner. Okay, now tip number 3, ask follow-up questions. If the answer isn't exactly what you want, continue the conversation instead of starting over. Okay, let me show you a practical example for tip number 3. Now when you open your Chatgpt, okay, on that timeline, okay, once you open your Chatgpt, it's usually like this, plain. You can see the black box they wrote ask Chatgpt. So if you have a question, maybe a follow-up question you want to ask, and you did not see it, don't be dismayed, okay? Don't worry, just go to this top left here at the edge here, click on this double dash. It will bring out all the prompts you've already typed. Now let's see, for example, you can see this 1-week study timetable that I used for example before. Click on it. Maybe probably the question you want to ask is based on this 1-week timetable, study timetable. Click on it and you see the prompt coming out. Then you can now ask your follow-up question based on the prompts, on the questions, okay? So it's just as simple as ABCD. So guys, ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available today, and the more you practice writing prompts, the better your results will be, okay? In my next video, I will show you how to use Canva AI to create professional designs in minutes, so make sure you don't miss it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to SkillForge Hub Africa, and turn on notifications so you will know when the next tutorial is released. Also, let me know in the comment section what you would like me to teach next, okay? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.